Okay. Now, the next sentence is my bag was very heavy. So I have to show that I'm carrying the bag on my back. Okay. So I'll say like this, my bag was very heavy. It's now your turn.
My bag was very heavy.
Yes. See, your teeth are so beautiful, but when your bag is heavy, can we show the teeth at that time?
No,
No?
ma'am.
Yes, we should not because the bag is heavy, so we are not feeling happy. So we should not show, we should say like this, my bag is very heavy. No smiling, okay? Try once again.
My bag is very heavy.
Yes. Now the next is I saw three monkeys. Now I will feel very, very happy and surprised also when I will see three monkeys. So I will say like this, I saw three monkeys. Now your turn.
So three monkeys.
Yes. Okay. Now the box was tiny. So let me take some box.
Hmm.
Okay, I have this box. If you have something, you can also get it. Okay, do you have any box with you? You can take an even your notebook. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. The box was tiny. The box was tiny. Now your turn.
Box was very tiny.
Yes, great. Next, everyone clapped loudly. Okay, so now try to speak this loudly for long time. Listen carefully how I'm doing. Everyone clapped loudly. Everyone clapped loudly. Okay, start.
Clap loudly.
Very good, Sanya. You're doing good. Great. Now we will go further. Now, this activity is mini show and tell. Mini show and tell means you have to get any of your favorite toy and you have to tell about that toy. Show and tell means like you were showing the box. This box is tiny. You have to show your toy. Before you bring your toy, what you have to see first. My favorite toy is you have to name your toy. It is very. What it is very, you have to add the word like it is very soft or it is very hard, it is very small, it is very big, it is very beautiful. You have to add something after very. Okay, now I got it from, now imagine that you got it from Vrindavan, so you will say I got it from Vrindavan. And if I can say that it can, so if I have something like a toy car, so I will say it can move very fast. But if it is not a toy car, then I have to think what my toy can do. Then why you love it? I love it because, then you have to mention why you love it. Okay, so quickly go get your toy. I am also going and I'm getting my toy. Okay, let's be quick, let's
Okay.
go and come back soon. Okay, show me what you have.
Ma'am.
Okay, so you must know the name of this toy. I have this. Okay, so now I will be speaking once and then it's your turn, right? But Sanya, now this is of 5 marks. How many marks? 5 marks. How you speak, you have to use your hand. See, it's written. Hand movement is should be there. Eye contact should be there. You have to look at me when you will speak. You have to smile when you speak, and you have to use proper posture. Like as a slouch, we should not want slouch. Sit straight, be confident, and speak with full energy. Okay? So I'm going to show you once and then you have to speak. My favorite toy is this wolf. It is very soft. I got it from Pacific Mall and it can not do anything, but I can cuddle him. I love it because its eyes are very beautiful and it feels like I'm cuddling a real some soft animal. The fur is very good. Okay? Like this, you have to tell. You can add more sentences also if you want.
My favorite toy is fan. Mini fan. It is very cute. I got it from market. I can
It can.
it can
So, what the toy can do? Your toy can move. So, you can say the fan works. It can move.
the fan works, it can move.
Then,
I love this toy because this is very cool.
okay, great. Well done. Now, do you know that what have you missed? Okay, your posture was good. You smiled also. Eye contact was also there. But can we see any hand movement? No, one hand was busy holding the toy, another hand was not moving. So try once again with hand movement. Okay? Yeah, start.
It is mini fan. It is very cute. I got it from market. Uh, it can move. I love this toy because this is cool.
Okay. Now let's see. I'm going to also take one test of the same and then you tell me what I missed. Okay? Whether I missed hand movement, eye contact, smile, or posture. My favorite toy is this wolf. It is very soft. I got it from Pacific Mall. It can help me sleep because I can cuddle him, and I love it because it feels real. Now, can you tell me what I missed?
Smile.
Smile. Yes, I also missed hand movement by the end. Hmm? Now, I'm doing it once again, and you tell me what I missed, and then it will be your turn. Okay? Right? My favorite toy is this wolf. And it's just very soft. I got it from Pacific Mall. It can cuddle me as well. I love it because it is extremely soft. Now tell me, did I miss anything?
From eye contact.
Eye contact. Okay. I thought that I made eye contact to you. Now it is your turn. Okay. Can you sit little far away so that your face is also visible?
Yeah.
Yes. Now your turn.
My favorite toy is this mini fan.
Yes. Sanya, a little far because your face is half visible. Yes. This is fine.
My favorite toy is this mini fan. It is very cool. It is very cute. I got it from market. can move. I love because it's this cool.
I love it because this is, you can also say that
Cool.
I love it because it is colorful. Yes? Okay, great. Now, copy my gesture. This will build your confidence. Okay, now keep your toy aside. A 5-minute quick activity we are going to do. Okay, the tree is very tall. Your turn.
The tree is very tall.
I have two sisters.
I have two sisters.
The rabbit ran fast.
The rabbit ran fast.
The cake was so yummy.
The cake was so yummy.
Yes. Now, Sanya, I'm not going to do it. Now you're going to speak all the sentences one after another. Okay? Start now.
The tree is very tall. I have two sisters.
These are four.
The
Okay. Do it again.
sister,
Yes.
the rabbit was run fast.
The rabbit ran
The,
fast.
the cake was so yummy.
Well done. Very good. Like this, you have to speak the lines always. Okay. Now, final performance task. Now, what you have to do, you have to speak for your morning routine. Okay. We are going to do this activity very quickly. 2 minutes of this activity. Here, you have to use your gestures. You have to tell at what time you wake up, you brush, you eat breakfast, and you go to school. You have to speak only 5 lines. Okay. I am going to speak and then your turn. Right? I wake up. So, first is wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. I brush my teeth. Look at the gestures that I'm using. I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. I brush my teeth. Then I eat breakfast and I go to school. Okay, now your turn.
Uh-huh. I am wake up.
I wake up, not I am. I wake up.
I wake up in 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush teeth and I eat breakfast
Okay.
and I go school.
I go to school. Okay, we are going to do it once again. Okay, I think that I have to type it for you. Okay. I wake up at 7 a.m. Then you need to use these words then. Okay. Then I brush my teeth. Then you use after that. I eat my breakfast. And then you say, and finally, I go to school. So these are some transitional words. Then, after that, and finally. And finally comes at the last. Okay? Do it quickly now.
I wake up 7 a.m.
With the expressions,
Then
with gestures, you need to use your hands. Keep your, yes, camera far.
wake up 7 a.m. Then I
Brush.
brush the teeth.
Yes.
Then I
After
eat
that.
my after that I eat my breakfast. Then finally I go to school.
Well done. Okay, so you have to remember this now. Whenever I'll ask you, tell me about your morning routine, then you have to say these lines. I will share the camera, or you can also make a short video. So one is morning routine and one is my best friend. Is your mom there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if your mom is listening, so you have to do two practices. What are the two practices? One, you have to keep the mirror in front of you, speak the lines with gestures. I wake up at 7 a.m., then I brush my teeth, and that I eat my breakfast, and finally I go to school. So you have to speak in front of the mirror. And you have to speak on my best friend. Do you have any best friend at school?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to speak about
Yes,
your
ma'am.
best friend. What is the name of your best friend? And why do you like your best friend?
Ma'am,
Hmm. And why do you like your best friend? So you can
okay,
tell my
ma'am.
best friend helps me
Okay, ma'am.
every time. She plays with me, and that's why I love her. And Sanya, you have to make two videos. Okay? Can you make video? Do you like making videos?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So one video should be on morning routine and one video should be on my best friend. Will you be doing it? Sure?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay, then give me high five. We're going to end. Give me high five. Yay! Okay. So bye-bye. Keep practicing. I will share each and every work with you. Okay? Take care.
Bye.
Bye.